Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the macro photo in your Oppo A16. To make a macro photo, you should set up and enable a camera here. There is a few options to making a photo and video, but the macro option is at the end. There is a more and there is option macro here. Best quality at 4 centimeters here, so let's try to check it. So as you see, the macro is now have good quality. Let's try on the back and make some macro photo here. Yep. So you have the macro photo here, and that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.